Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifunza incwadi. Sihloko sale ncwadi Lifa. Babhali bencwadi ngu-T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 42, 43, 44, and 45. On pages 42 and 43, we are still focusing on the letter J. Lijaji, lijaliti, lijaha, lijogo, ujamile, maja, luju, tijolojolo, jamu, lijele, lijahana, maja, ujikijele, lijogo. Lojiba ujamile ejalidini. Lijaji alitifuni tijolojolo tamaja. Malume unajamu. Moving on to page 43. Lijele. Maja unike lijele lemajobo lijogo lajali. Lajogola lijeke nelijogo ecebeni. Alikagugi lelijogo lihelu. Jama ubone lijele linelijogo ecebeni. Jama bekajame netijolojolo ejalidini. Lijele lajikijela lijogo kujama. Jikijela maja. In two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A will be saying jikijela maja, jikijela maja, jikijela maja, jika maja. And Group B will be saying jikijela emajogo, jikijela emajeke, jikijela emajobo, wajika maja, wajikela tijolojolo, tijolojolo tejalidi. Now moving on to page 44. On pages 44 and 45, we will be focusing on the letter Y. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Yama, yami, yema, yoma, yomile, yenu, imali yami le, yona yome emini, akayifuni nayomile, kuku uyeme liguma. Imoto yami yeyeme egumeni. Asiphinde sifunze imali yami le, yona yome emini, akayifuni nayomile, kuku uyeme liguma. Imoto yami yeyeme egumeni. And finally, page 45. Yala, yila, yela, laya, leya. Make nagogo bayayila, babe uyala boyeye. Lijaha liyele etiko itolo. Malume uyaloya, make akaloyi. Asiphindze sifunze. Make nagogo bayayila. Babe uyala boyeye. Lijaha liyele etiko itolo. Malume uyaloya, make akaloyi. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.